Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro. The iPhone 13 rumors have already started, even though the iPhone 12 lineup is still fresh. Of course, it's difficult to forecast Apple's trajectory this far ahead, but some early iPhone 13 leaks reveal some fascinating potential changes. We're hearing that Apple may offer at least one iPhone 13 model with a truly portless design, which is now possible thanks to MagSafe charging. And you can also expect some big upgrades for the displays, cameras and possibly new battery technology. A new report claims Apple is looking to add a periscope-like telephoto lens to the iPhone 13, which would go a long way towards improving its zooming capabilities. The new iPhone 13 leak reveals that Apple may use what's called soft battery technology in its next iPhones, which could allow the devices to offer increased capacity without growing the design. And LG is tipped to make the iPhone 13 displays, meaning it could get access to LTPO panel tech to help deliver a variable refresh rate and keep power consumption down. A report from analyst Ming Kai Kuo says that Apple will once again offer 4 sizes for the iPhone 13. So you can expect a 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. It was rumored in the early part of 2020 that the iPhone's iconic notch, which dates back to 2017's iPhone X, could be reduced into a narrower and more slender form for the iPhone 12. That obviously didn't come to pass, and it's said that Apple supposedly experimented with ditching the notch entirely for its latest handsets, before ultimately tabling the design. Bearing that in mind, it's possible Apple could introduce that change for the iPhone 13. So, the iPhone 13 seems so far away, but time moves so fast these days that it feels like we'll wake up to Apple announcing it's new. If you're one of the people who skipped the iPhone 12. As I did, we found 3 big reasons why you'll want to upgrade. The big hardware improvements are specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro models, so the other iPhone 13 phones may feature upgrades that are more tied to computational photography. Here's some fantastic news for those capturing wider shots. In a report from venerated analyst and Mac prognosticator Ming Kai Kuo, we learned that Apple plans to increase the aperture of the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max's ultra-wide camera. The sensor shift stabilization isn't just for Pro Max, it will be for all models, so iPhone 13 phones are getting serious camera hardware upgrades. Documentation of Apple's settlement with Qualcomm reveals that Apple has plans to use Qualcomm's X65G modem in upcoming iPhones, which will likely include the iPhone 13. This is important because the 5nm X60 modem can integrate directly into a phone's chipset, meaning a smaller footprint and lower battery drain. So, Apple and Qualcomm eventually made up, but it's clear that the iPhone maker wants to control its own destiny, rather than be beholden to a supplier with which it has a tenuous relationship at best. By the time the iPhone 13 releases, that team will have been working under Apple leadership for nearly 2.5 years, making 2021 the absolute earliest it could launch its first handsets with its own modem on board. If the iPhone 13 release date follows Apple's pattern for previous launches, we could see this device hit shelves on the 4th Friday of September 2021. So keep a close eye with us over the coming months as the future of iPhone takes shape. Thanks for watching everybody, see you in another video.